Good morning, children. Welcome in your moral teaching class. Today we are going to learn lesson number 8. Look around. Children, what should you look around? You should look around whether the people around you are safe for you or unsafe for you. But how will you know that which person is safe for you and which person is unsafe for you? Children, you will able to know this if you know the difference between good touch and bad touch. So, in this lesson, we will learn the difference between good touch and bad touch and how will you protect yourself from bad people. As you grow up, you will experience different feelings. You will communicate with different people. Now, what is the meaning of communicate? Communication means share or exchange your ideas or informations with others. Each one will have different ways of talking and expressing their feelings and emotions. Now, what is the meaning of emotions? Emotions means feelings of love, anger, or fear. It is important to understand that the emotions that you receive, both verbal and non-verbal. Now, what is the meaning of verbal? Verbal means feelings that can be expressed in words. Non-verbal means feelings that can be expressed without spoken language like facial expressions, touches, etc. It is very important for you to understand the feelings and emotions that you receive from the other. When people talk to you, they communicate not only the words but also various feelings. These feelings are communicated through expressions, eye contact, and touches. A touch can make you feel either good or bad. So, children, it is very important that you could understand the various feelings of different people which you receive from them through expressions, eye contact, and touches. So, touch can be good or bad. What is good touch? All those touches are good touch that makes you feel happy, like when your mama hugs you, or your father gives you good night kiss, or your grandparents hold you in their arms, or you hold your friend's hand. All this kind of touches make you feel pleasant, nice and warm. It is the way to show their love and care for you. This touches makes you feel safe and protected. So, all this kind of touch are good touch. Now, what is bad touch? Children, all those touch that makes you uncomfortable and you want to stop it are called bad touch. Nobody can touch your body if you don't want to be touched, and your body belongs to you only, and you have the absolute choice to deny anyone else from touching you. Okay, children? Now, if anyone slaps you, pinch you, hits you or kicks you without any reason is also called bad touch. Let us see some more examples of bad touch. First point is, it is bad touch if someone touches you on your body where you don't want to be touched. Here is talking about the private parts of your body. The body parts we usually keep covered even under our dress with undergarments are our private parts, and no one have the permission to touch you there. Even your parents touch you there only if they are bathing you or cleaning you, not otherwise. Second point is, it is bad touch if someone touches you under your clothing or tickles you under the clothing. That means if someone puts hands inside your clothing and tickles you, tickles means a slight touch which makes you love. So, it is a bad touch. Third point is, it is a bad touch if that touch makes you feel scared and nervous. That means any touch which makes you feel nervous and scared is a bad touch. Fourth point is, it is bad touch if that person forces you to touch him or her. If someone forces you to touch any one of his body part, then it is a bad touch. Fifth point is, it is bad touch if a person asks you not to tell anyone. If someone touches your body parts and then asks you to don't tell to anyone that is a bad touch. Sixth point is, it is bad touch if a person threatens to hurt you if you tell someone about the touch. That means if someone touches you and after then he or she tells you that if you tell someone about it, he or she would beat you or harm you, then it is bad touch. So children, I hope after this long discussion, all of you are able to identify which is good touch and which is bad touch. Now you are going to learn what should you do when someone touches you in the wrong way. If someone touches you in the way which you don't like, then you should say no to that person immediately. If someone touches you in a wrong way, you should get away fast or run away from the person whose touch you don't like. Immediately call someone for help or you can scream for help if you don't have your elders nearby. Okay, children? Now, what are the reflections of this lesson? Our body safety is in our hands. We should keep safe distance from strangers and should be aware of the people around us. If we feel uncomfortable about an incident or touch, we should speak about it to our parents or any trustworthy elder. So, what is the moral of this lesson, children? Moral of the lesson is be aware of the people in your surroundings. If they treat you in the wrong way, don't remain silent. Raise an alarm, children. Thank you.